Samsung is one of the most well-known brands in the smartphone business, with its flagship Galaxy S series attracting a lot of interest from tech aficionados all around the globe. Despite the launch of the Galaxy S23 series earlier this year, speculations and leaks regarding the future Galaxy S24 series have already begun to circulate. Galaxy Club and Sam Mobile have collaborated to give early information regarding the Galaxy S24 series, which is expected to launch in early 2024. Typically, important leaks regarding Samsung smartphones happen within a month of their release, as the Galaxy Foldable has just shown. The internal codename Muse is used for this 24 series. It's not surprising to hear a codename for a Samsung flagship thus close to its release. After all, the Galaxy's Diamond codename was leaked ahead of launch too. According to the rumor, the series might contain 3 flagship models: Samsung Galaxy S24, 24 Plus, and 24 Ultra. This implies that the codenames for these mobile phones will be Muse 1, Muse 2, and Muse 3. Sam Mobile believes that the South Korean business might continue its pattern of producing a Plus model with the S24 series. However, nothing is known about the S24 features. The Ultra, on the other hand, has a telephoto camera with a 5x optical zoom, which we can confirm, implying that this new sensor will replace the 3x lens in the S23 Ultra rather than the 10x equivalent. Galaxy Club expects to learn more about Project Muse in the coming weeks. The series is set to have a slew of new features and enhancements over the previous installment. This smartphone is projected to be among the top mobile phones in 2024. However, waiting for the Galaxy S24 series may not be the best decision for everyone, and there are a number of alternative excellent smartphones on the market right now. Finally, whether you wait for the Galaxy S24 series or purchase another smartphone will be determined by your particular tastes and needs, as is customary with high-end Samsung phones. More information regarding the Galaxy S24 series is expected to be released shortly before the formal launch. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.